Hi there. Here, you'll find everything you need to promote your listing. We're skipping the download page for now to focus on your marketing tools. First, go to Profile and Property Info. Click Add Property Info to enter your listing details. They'll update automatically on your assets after a quick page refresh. Next, upload your headshot and office logo using the Upload Your Profile Photo logo button. This ensures your materials are branded to you. Click Update Profile Data to update your business profile with extras like your phone and license number. These details carry over to future marketing kits, so you only have to do it once. Now, refresh the page and let's check out your assets. Social Media Reels. Engaging 9x16 videos perfect for Reels, Stories, or timeline posts. Click View More to browse the full library. Stories and Posts. Vertical images that make your listings shine. Some templates even promote you. Landscape Posts. Horizontal images that showcase wide spaces. Square Posts. Great all-purpose tiles for timelines, email signatures, or text campaigns. Pinterest Tower. Highlights your top 16 photos in a scrollable layout. Slideshows. Branded and unbranded videos using your listing media, available in square or horizontal formats. Property Sites. Mobile-friendly, customizable sites built to showcase and sell your listing. Print-ready flyers. Download high-res PDFs ready for professional printing. Weekly traffic report. Keep clients in the loop. Just add their name, email, and preferred day, and we'll send them a summary each week. Editing Reels, social posts, and flyers. Want to tweak your marketing materials? Click Edit under any preview. You can edit text directly. Just click and type. Use the toolbar to adjust font, size, and color. Need to change photos or slideshow order? Click a photo, then drag to rearrange or replace it in the edit drawer. Resize or crop media by dragging the handles. Use the top toolbar to adjust fit, flip your media, drop shadow, add a stroke or gradient. To add media, text, or shapes, use the left toolbar. Media adds a new image or video. Pick your content from the right panel. Heading and text. Insert text boxes. Shape lets you add styled elements. Customize them using Edit Shape and the top toolbar. If you're editing a video reel, click Preview to watch it. Made a mistake? Use Undo or Reset to go back to the original. When you're done, click Save and Close. Editing your property site. In the Property Site section, you can copy branded and unbranded links, preview your site, download a QR code, and edit site details and design. Let's click Edit and take a closer look. From here, use the preview window or go full screen. Click Select Design Style to update the look. Use Adjust Design Settings to pick fonts and layout options. Add display conditions for custom links. Personalize your site address. Add background music. Hit Surprise Me if you're unsure. To reorder your gallery, go to Site Media and drag to rearrange. Update listing info in the Site Data tab. Thanks for watching. We hope these tools help you market your current listing and win your next one.